Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I'd like to share with you an unboxing and first look of the KESIWO GT959. So yes, this is another one from the series of Tunafire KESIWO knives that have been released in 2021. This is one of the smallest one that they offer. And like I mentioned probably in my previous videos, there are two models that are not made in a brown Micarta variant. So this is one of them, and this is the model 959, which has a really nice trailing point blade, and of course this is another flipper with a deep carry pocket clip. So let's talk about the specifications. So we have a overall length of 17.7 centimeters or 7 inches. The blade length is 8 centimeters or 3.1 inches. The blade width is 1.9 centimeters or 0.7 inches. The blade thickness is 3.3 millimeters or 0.13 inches. The handle length is 10 centimeters or 4 inches. And the handle thickness is 1.2 centimeters or 0.5 inches. The weight comes at 69.8 grams or 2.4 ounces. Materials used on this one, we have a D2 stone washed blade with 420 frame, hardware, and of course a pocket clip, which is nicely mirror polished deep carry. We have a liner construction with pivot assembly, uses a really nice caged ball bearing washers. Engagement out of the box looks really nice early. So let's see the little test that I do here. So this will nicely, yes, its lockup is really nice, no blade pivot whatsoever, and centering is perfect. We have a partial backspacer which functions as also a lanyard hole. Opens really nice, and that is without any kind of modification right there. Looks like we have almost a full fed ground blade. Let's see the sharpness out of the box. Oh, this is really nice and sharp. But of course I recommend to strap it a little bit on your favorite strap, and it will be even more sharper. Okay, so let's see the pocket profile. Let's take out my old trusty jean pocket. So let's apply. So it will go in without any kind of significant pressure, so nice. This will be definitely nice to carry all around your day, and it looks like it is almost completely sink below the pocket clip. Sorry, the jean pocket. So really nice to see that this accent they are putting in around this is a pivot collar, if I'm not mistaken. We have a 3D shaped scale on here, and the orange accent here is on all the color variants. So okay, so let's see some size comparisons. So I would like to compare it with the model 958, which is a little bit larger. And then let's continue with other knives. So here is the CVV Rustic Gent, Spyderco Delica, CVV Elementum, KESIWO Glider 2, QB Aries, Buckspring Pro, Giant Mouse Ace Grand, Small Griptilian, Large Griptilian, Red Model 2, Spyderco Endura, Kaiser Pinch, Bug Vintage Select Small, 940 from Benchmade, Kershaw Leak, Small Griptilian from Benchmade, K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter, Peanut from Rough Rider, and let's finish up with Kershaw Shuffle 2. Okay, so price wise we're looking at $30, but that depends on the point in time when are you buying this knife. I saw them as low as $19, so depending on the reseller and also if there is some kind of sale going on. I will put the link down below to probably AliExpress, where they have lots of sales are going on during the year. So if you are want to wait a little bit more for your knife to ship from China, then definitely you can choose to save up a little bit more money this way. But at around $20, it is probably a really great value option. If you have a smaller hand, then this will be probably really nice for you. I have an extra large hand, and as the knife disappears, so I can get around 3 fingers, but it's not comfortable. More like 3.5, yeah. So, but definitely what I am seeing right now, that KESIWO or Tunafire or Freetiger are giving you lots of options. So right now there are 5 models out there. I don't know if they will be adding more in the future. So they started with 5, and like color combinations. So all of them have only the stone washed blade, and either black, light green or olive green or dark green, and some of them have also this nice brown micarta, which I prefer for my collection of micarta knives, but 2 models did not come in this variant. So I don't know what's going on there. Maybe in the future they will be adding to them, maybe not. Okay, so yes, one last thing that I have to mention. I will try to also make a complete video with all the models that are included in this series of knives, so stay tuned for that. And if you have any questions regarding this knife or anything else, just leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. Also, if you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. If you're not, then please consider subscribing. Do not miss any future videos. Okay, so with that said, I wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.